Imagine standing in the heart of Manhattan, staring at a rundown hotel that's bleeding money, with everyone telling you it's a lost cause. But one man sees opportunity where others see failure. That man is Donald Trump, and his unbreakable focus turned a crumbling building into a symbol of success. Welcome to Future Focus, where we dive into the mindsets that shape legends. Today we're exploring Trump's real estate empire, lessons from deals like the Grand Hyatt renovation, and his comebacks from the 1990s bankruptcies. If you've ever felt scattered or overwhelmed, this is your blueprint for laser-sharp focus. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have actionable steps to build your own unbreakable mindset. Let's get started. Let's start at the beginning. In the late 1970s, New York City was in crisis. Crime was high, and the Commodore Hotel next to Grand Central Terminal was a decaying eyesore, losing millions annually. According to Trump's own account in his 1987 bestseller, The Art of the Deal, published by Random House, he was just 27 when he spotted the potential. While others walked away, Trump focused on a bold vision, transforming it into the luxurious Grand Hyatt. What made this possible? Unbreakable focus. As detailed in Forbes magazine's historical profiles, like their 1980s coverage of New York real estate, Trump negotiated tax abatements with the city, secured financing from Hyatt hotels, and oversaw a $100 million renovation. He ignored distractions, the naysayers, the economic downturn, and zeroed in on the end goal. Britannica's encyclopedia on Trump's career notes that this deal netted him a 50% stake, launching his empire. But focus isn't just about seeing opportunity, it's about maintaining it through chaos. Trump described in The Art of the Deal how he spent countless hours poring over blueprints and contracts, often working late into the night. This hyper-focus turned a potential disaster into a hotel that generated over $30 million in annual revenue by the 1980s per New York Times archives. The lesson here: in a world full of noise, unbreakable focus means tuning out the irrelevant and amplifying your vision. Harvard Business Review's analysis, in Jeffrey Pfeffer's 2016 piece, highlights how entrepreneurs like Trump succeed by compartmentalizing, focusing on one high-impact task at a time, even when everything else is falling apart. Now let's talk about when focus is tested the most. Failure. The 1990s were brutal for Trump. As reported in Forbes' 1991 article, Trump's latest gamble, the real estate market crashed, and his Atlantic City casinos piled up $3 billion in debt. He filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy 4 times between 1991 and 1992 for various entities, according to SEC filings and Britannica's timeline. Many would have crumbled, but Trump's focus didn't waver. In The Art of the Deal, he emphasizes viewing bankruptcies not as endings, but as restructurings, opportunities to renegotiate and rebuild. He focused on core assets like retaining control of Trump Tower and methodically paid down debts. By 1997, as per Forbes net worth trackers, he was back, with his empire valued at over $1 billion again. This resilience stems from what Pfeffer in Harvard Business Review calls selective attention, focusing on solutions, not problems. Trump ignored the media frenzy, e.g. tabloid headlines calling him finished, and zeroed in on deals that mattered, like licensing his name to new projects. Authentic sources like the New York Times 1990s coverage show he attended every negotiation personally, maintaining focus amid lawsuits and financial pressure. Think about it. If Trump had scattered his energy, reacting to every critic, he'd never have rebounded. Instead, his unbreakable focus turned setbacks into stepping stones, proving that true focus isn't about avoiding falls. It's about getting up with a clearer vision. All right, enough inspiration. Let's make this practical. Based on Trump's methods from authentic sources, here are 3 actionable steps to build your unbreakable focus. I'll break them down with examples so you can apply them today. First, define your core vision. Trump started with a clear goal for the Grand Hyatt. Make it the best. As in The Art of the Deal, write your vision in 1 sentence. Action step: spend 10 minutes tonight journaling your top goal. Eliminate distractions, turn off notifications, and revisit it daily. This mirrors Trump's blueprint obsession, helping you filter out noise. Second, compartmentalize chaos. During the 1990s bankruptcies, Trump focused on one entity at a time, per SEC records. Action step: use the focus block technique. Dedicate 90-minute blocks to one task, ignoring emails or calls. Track progress in a notebook, just like Trump's deal logs. Harvard Business Review suggests this boosts productivity by 25%. Third, rebound with rituals. After setbacks, Trump relied on routines like early mornings and constant learning, as noted in Forbes interviews. Action step: create a focus ritual. Start your day with 15 minutes of meditation or reading. Try the art of the deal for inspiration. When doubt hits, refocus by listing 3 wins from the past week. This builds the mental toughness Britannica attributes to his comebacks. Implement these, and you'll notice sharper focus in weeks. Remember, it's not magic, it's discipline, proven by Trump's empire. So, what can we learn from Trump's unbreakable focus? From the Grand Hyatt triumph, detailed in The Art of the Deal, to navigating 1990s bankruptcies, verified by Forbes and SEC, it's clear, focus isn't innate, it's forged. It turned a young developer into a billionaire with properties worldwide. You have that power too. Whether you're building a business, career, or personal life, channel this mindset. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your empire grow. If this resonated, hit that like button, subscribe for more mindset mastery, and comment below. What's one focus tip you'll try today? Check the description for links to sources like The Art of the Deal and Forbes articles. Dive deeper yourself. Thanks for watching Critic to King. Remember, your future is what you focus on. See you next time.